Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. Today we will see online exam system project. I have made this project in Java and the source code is 100% free. In this video we will see how you will get the project for free and how you can run this in your system. Okay, and after that we will discuss all the features one by one. So before jumping to the source code, let's go to my channel LazyCoder. In this channel, if you see, I have uploaded multiple projects like payroll, employee, student, hospital, many more projects I have uploaded. I just need your support so that it will motivate me to create more projects. So please subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to create more projects for free. Okay, so let's go to that how you will get the source code for free, right? So just search on the Google that GitHub Sumit Kumar 1503. Okay, Sumit Kumar 1503. If you search, if you see that AI is also recognized my repositories. So the first result that you get here is this one. So you have to open this here and go to the repository. If you see here, I have multiple projects that is totally free. Hospital management, you can see that 726 people have started this repository, right? Okay, given his stars. So you can follow on my GitHub also, so that currently more than 1,000 people have followed me here. If you see the followers, okay, so you can just follow me so that it will motivate me. Okay, right? So go to the repositories first, and the first repo you can see here is online exam system. So just click on that, okay, and just click on the code. One second, it's loading. So click on the code and click on and then download zip. So it will download the zip file in your system. And if you see the readme file here, I have explained all the features and the tech stacks that is used in this project and how you can run this in your system. You can check this on this readme file. Okay, and still if you face any doubt regarding that how it is developed, if you face any error while running this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is this one, 95721. Okay, so I have attached screenshots. Okay, explain all the features here. Like admin, you can stop the video and see the features. I will explain it one by one. And this is the tech stack that I have used, like backend is the Spring Boot, Java, and H2 file database is there, right? So you can configure to any other databases like MySQL, Oracle, or anything. Okay, and how you can run this project: once you downloaded the Java and configured the Maven in your system, you just have to download this project and open in any IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ, and just you have to run this online exam application.java file. Okay, and the server will be automatically started at this port like 7890. It can be configurable to any other port also. And how you want to see the database, so it is also there. You just have to go to this location 7890 and h2 console, right, and give this as a JDBC URL, username is this and password is this one, and the default admin username I have already configured. You can change this. And how you can change this, that okay, so first you have to come to the online exam application.java class. Okay, and then you have to look for this line number 24. If you see this will be the username, so you can change this to anything that you want to change, and this will be the password, like admin pass is the password. Okay, so I have configured this. You can configure anything. Okay, so this was about the source code and how you can run this in your system. Okay, so now jump to the features. So I have already started the server, and this is the home page, and it is fully responsive. So what does it mean? That it will be open in a nicer way in both mobile and desktop. Okay, so in this project basically we have two roles. One is the admin and another is the student. What admin and student can do that, a student can take the exam, okay, and it will get the instant scores and can review the answers and track the progress, and all the details will be shown to his dashboard. And the for admins, what it will be there, that admins can create and edit the exams, when the exam will happen, how many questions will be there and what questions will be there. Okay, so these all are things will be there. Okay, these are about the basics functions. So let's jump to this login and create account button. So if you click on the login, okay, so on the same page, both a student and admin can log in. Okay, and create account is there for the student account creation. So a student can fill these details, okay, and then click on the register, so their account will be created. Okay, so once admin will log in, let's log in to the admin. So this is the dashboard of the admin, you see, and it is also fully responsive. So if you see here, this design got changed according to the mobile, right? So you can see this here. So if we see that here, it is showing how many total students will be there, how many total exams is there. So admin can create it. I will show you how admin can create it. So how many total questions is there in that exam, okay, how many submissions are there by the student, okay, and this chart will show that how many submissions per exam will be shown here. Suppose I have 5 exams, right? Total exam is 5, so all the 5 exams is showing here. And how many submissions are there? Only one. Okay, one student has submitted it. I will show that how this graph will dynamically change. Okay, and this section have the quick actions like manage the exams, manage a student, create new exam. So I will show you one by one. Okay, so let's go to the manage exam. Okay, and once we go there, we can see that exam title and durations of that exam, particular exam, and how many questions are there. So admin can add the questions to this exam, see the results, manage the questions to this particular exam, and can edit it. Edit it means what? That what will you suppose admin has given some typo, right? So admin can change it, okay? And admin can delete the particular exam. Suppose Python is there, right? So if admin want to delete it, so simply it have to click here. So click on the delete. It will ask you that are you sure you want to delete this exam? So if we click on OK, so you can see that Python exam got deleted. Okay, now let's add it. So let's add Python again, and duration, let's say 10 minutes. So now you can see that Python is added here, right? So now let's add the questions to this exam. So suppose math test exam is there, so admin wants to add the questions. So admin have to provide the question text, like suppose I want to 2 plus 2 equals to what, right? I have given this, so admin have to provide the options as well, right? This will be only a MCQ based questions. Okay, so suppose if I want to give the option as a 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and the correct answer also have to be provided, so that once a student will submit the exam, it will be validated against this correct answer. Okay, so let's give as a third option. So third option is the correct, right? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So I have given as a third one. And marks, how many marks for this question? I have given 1 marks for this question. So let's click on the add questions. So it's saying that questions added. Okay, how we can see that? Go to the manage exam. Okay, so if we see math, now it questions number increased to 1, right? And how you can see that which questions got added? So simply admin have to click here manage questions. Okay, now you can also edit the questions of that particular exam. So you have the button. Suppose you have to just instead of one question marks I want to give two, right? So I will update the update questions. Okay, and admin can also delete the particular questions. Okay, suppose I want to add one more question. Okay, let's suppose 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 equals to what? So 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct answer will be 1, right? And marks will be 1. Okay, I have added the question, right? Let's suppose 3 into 4. I also want to give one more question, right? So 12, 11, 22. Maybe give anything you want to give. Okay, and correct answer will be 1, right? And marks will be 1. And then add questions. So total questions for math is now 3. I will show you once I will log in via that student account and I will submit this exam. Okay, so these are basically about the creating the exams, adding the questions, editing the questions, and deleting that particular questions. Okay, suppose if I want to delete the questions, right? So simply we have to go there and I want to delete this one, right? So just admin have to click on the delete button and this particular questions will be deleted. Right now the total questions is 2 only, right? So now you can see that question count got decreased, right? And this will be done. Okay, so admin have full rights to create the exam, delete the exam, edit the exam, manage the questions, and view the results also. Suppose admin has clicked on the results. Okay, so here it is showing that no student has taken this exam yet. Okay, right? Because no one has submitted it. I just created it right now, right? And but if we see here for the Java, I have already logged in via that student account and then submitted that question. So if we click on the results, it's showing here that this student Sumit Kumar has given the exam and this was the score and this was the percentage and this was the submission time also, right? So you admin can have the ability to see the scores and when they have submitted it, right? Okay, this was about the managing the exams for the admin perspective, and now admin can see that how many students accounts are there and admin can delete their account also. Okay, once admin will delete that exam student, then their results will be also deleted. Okay, and if admin suppose admin has deleted one exam, okay, so their particular submission result submission will be also deleted from the database. Okay, and suppose some students had forget their password, so admin can reset it as well. Okay, so this is about the admin dashboards and admin functionality. So now I will log in it via that student account. So log out from the admin account and log in as a student. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so it's saying that invalid. So right, so what I will do that I will log in as a admin so that we can test that features also, and I will reset the password of that student, right? So click on the reset password and click on the reset Sumit password. I am giving the same as a password. So password for Sumit is updated right now, and now log out as a admin. Okay, so basically we have to give this as a username, right? Okay, and then password, and then just click on the login. Okay, once a student will log in, this will be the dashboard for the student. Okay, and here it is showing that exam taken is 1 and average score was 66.7 and highest score is 66. Okay, so a score history dashboard will graph will be shown here. I will show you right now, and below that available exams, how many exams are available, right? it will be shown here. I will show you by giving one exam, okay, and your past result is also showing here. And what a student can see that click on the my results, okay, and all the exams they have taken will be shown here, and can review the answers there also, right? Okay, so in this exam this one was the correct. So which one is the correct keyword in the Java? We know that super is the correct, so your answer was also the same. And who invented the Java programming? So I intentionally given that Sumit, right? So it's saying that your answer was this, but the correct answer was the James Gosling, right? And the third question, so means the questions wise a student can review their submissions, okay. I will show you by taking one exam, okay. So recently I have added that questions to the math, right? So let's give this okay, so let's a student will log in and click on the start exam, okay. Now if you see here that once start means a student clicked on the start exam, their details will be shown here, right? Okay, like what is their email, username, and exam total times, right? Total questions is there, and here if you see here timer is also there okay, and how many questions are is there. So suppose this exam have 20 questions, so all the 20 will be paletlets will be there, okay. So that jumping to the questions will be easy, okay, right? So instead of there is one previous and next button is also there, but from here also, so that suppose if there is one more function is there, suppose I have given the answer as 2, okay, and jumps to that here. So if you see that color got changed, so a student will know that this questions one number question is already answered, okay. If we go to the one, so you can see that 2 is color is still white, right? So it means that 2 number questions is unanswered, right? So that it will be easy for the student that which all questions are left, and okay. So suppose and one more thing is there that if this timer got up to suppose 8 minutes got passed, okay, then this exam will be auto submitted, okay. So these are the functions. Suppose if I give 2 plus 2 as a 3, let's suppose I want to give as a wrong answer only, and for the 2 I want to give as a correct one, right? And then let's suppose submit, click on the submit exam, okay. So we have given one correct and one false, right? So let's click on submit exam. So you can see that congratulations, you passed. Why it's showing that you passed? Because internally I have configured that 50% should be the minimum to pass any exam, so, okay. So he has given the 50%, so it got passed, and all these scores and these are icons is showing here. A student can now back to the dashboard and can review their answer, okay. So let's click on the review your answer. Now you can see that 2 plus 2 your answer was 3, right? And it's showing that correct answer was, so basically question wise he or she can review it. And if you click on the my results, earlier only one card was showing, right? Now it's math exam is also showing here. Now go to the dashboard, right? Now it's got updated, right? Exams taken 2, and this graph got also updated. Earlier it was just only 1. So Java score was 66 and math score is 50%. So based on the exams and the submissions, this graph will be dynamically will be changed, okay. And anytime he or she can review their exam, okay. And one more thing, that one exam can be taken only once, okay. Let's log out as a student, and one more feature is there that student can click on the my profile and can change the profile picture and can change the name, okay, and old password, new password can be also be changed, okay. And let's log out as a student and log in as a admin again. One second. Okay, now you can see that total submission got updated to 2, and this graph got also changed, right? Okay, total submission now 2 is there. So let's go to the manage exam again and click on this result. So you can see that raw score it is showing here, right? So these are the about the features. We can definitely add more features to it, like what we can add is that on the exam page when a student is taking, so that means it will not allow to change their tab, right? So that a student will not cheat, right? So these are the features that we can add to enhance our project. So lastly, the code is free, right? You can check this out on description, and please subscribe to LazyCoder so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Thank you so much.